Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 42,865 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted a rocker box oil seep and an outer primary seep. In addition, the exhaust pops on deceleration. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine guard, a crack in the lower trim, scratches on the saddlebag guards, and scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, one key, and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a keyless ignition, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and navigation. It's been upgraded with a windshield, LED passing lamps, axle caps, a timing cover, primary cover, a fuel door cover, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Vance & Hines mufflers, LED turn signals, auxiliary saddlebag lights, docking hardware, grips, and 12-inch handlebars. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.